Morning. Yes, I just got up. It's early. But I have a package and I thought I would share it with all of you. Gretchen here, Possum Fun and Frugal. Back to show you some more goodies that I got for my next adventure in Ruby, the minivan. We have an adventure coming up, so stay tuned for videos about that. But here's what I got to add to my essential items. I have a great idea to save money for camping. So, my Amazon package. I thought, oh, after I opened it, I should share this. So, I got these. These are watertight ice bags. And I got an ice maker at the thrift store for $5, and it works great. Cleaned it out, it works great. So this is a bag, well, there's two, that you put your ice in it and put it in your ice chest, and then it doesn't leak. You know, you get bags of ice and they end up leaking out of the bag all into your ice chest, and all your food gets all waterlogged. Well, this is a new solution to not having soggy food in your ice chest. So we're going to try these this time on my next big adventure, and we'll see how they work. So there's two bags in here. Let's see what else we got. My cables. They're extension cables for my solar. I got 4 of them. I really only need 3, but they came in sets of 2. It was a good deal, so I got that way. I have an extra if I need one. And maybe I'll get another solar panel, so then I'll have that ready. So that's what I got in this little Amazon order.